Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking network and power. Make sure your iPhone and the AirPlay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi and awake. Next, open the app or content you want to mirror. This reduces delays. Now, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and locate Screen Mirroring. Tap it. This begins discovery. You'll see available devices. Select the correct TV or Apple TV name. Once chosen, a prompt may appear on the TV to accept the connection. Approve it to continue. Once connected, you'll see your iPhone screen on the TV. Now manage orientation and playback. You can rotate the phone for landscape. The receiver mirrors that change. Make sure app audio is playing through the TV. If not, open Control Center and check the audio output. If video lags, move closer to the router or switch off busy devices on the network. This reduces interference. Also, turn on Do Not Disturb to stop notifications from interrupting your presentation or streaming. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Screen Mirroring. Your phone returns to normal instantly. If mirroring won't start, make sure both devices are on the same network and restart the iPhone and the receiver. This clears temporary glitches. If you still have trouble, toggle Wi-Fi off and check for system updates on both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if video is choppy, move the router or use a less congested Wi-Fi channel. This often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.